What's up guys, Breezy here once again. I'm here in the Breezy HQ here in IMAWATARI.
You think you know me?
Batang pasaway at lahat sasabay hanggang mamatay, Rosta. Dadaling ko hanggang mamatay. Di na pwede lumiko, di na pwede umatras, di na pwede lumiko. At lasing na pabilis na pabilis. Kapag tinopag na ako, di na pwede tumino.
This is quite a unique vlog today guys, because it's not the common vlog that I used to do. My friend called me today because her car has a problem, and the problem is the engine has some kind of damage on it underneath, because she hit a rock or something, or a gutter down on the street somewhere, so her car is kind of damaged. So as we can see, if you look under, I don't know if the camera can see it, but oil is dripping out on the pan, and there's a dent in here, and it's leaking out of oil. So it has a quite bad damage, as you can see. So my boss here in the shop called the insurance company if what they can do on it. So let's just wait. What will the insurance company will say, if it's covered or not? Let's just wait, okay? So you can see it guys here, checking out the numbers, and Mr. Yamada here is calling the insurance company if it's covered or not. By the way, this is the owner of the car. So what would gonna be? Okay.
フレンドオート山田と申しますけども、ちょっと確認なんですけども、証券番号1940-640-827。このサバンナルさん、この方車両って30万入っとるんだよね。車両エコノミー。はい。そうです。今来て見えるもんで。
So this will be the conversation here, guys.
はい、ちょっと変わりますね。
No.
っていうかね、下回りミッションの下側にオイルパンがあるんですよ。オイルを貯める。それでそこが要するになんていうのかな、道路のブロックみたいなやつに乗り上げたっちゅうことやね。そう。エコノミーやでか。窓ガラスないね。
ないです。
ね、レッカーもないね。自動で走ってたよね。ないね。なんでバンバー打っとるもんでいいんじゃない？
Oh no!
So some of the damage.
そうなんだ。
Also the front bumper
これ
on the
車
side
と車
has a
か
damage.
だけか。そういうことか。エコノミーで。でもこれ何にもそれ説明でどこに書いてあるの？ ね
I guess guys,
保険証取れてるよ
this insurance has a little bit of problem
これは彼はフィ
because
リピン人のところで入っとるや
the
つやもんで
insurance said
代理店
that
が雅さん
the kind of insurance, the crash damage only, car to car crash, that's the only cover it has. So it's kind of hard to explain. That's why we need a help from a Japanese professional to do this job.
アンフィニってもあるな
It's kind of hard, guys.
アンフィニの爆弾ならわかるけどなんで雅さんだけ
So guys, we are going to the stockyard where we put the stocks. This is where we put our cars. That's what's available in the shop. So this is it. Mazda Altezza. This is a manual transmission car. Toyota Mark X, Honda Stream, Honda Fit, and what is this car? This still has a number. So this car has a registration yet. It's a new stock. I didn't know that of this. This is a Mitsubishi AK Wagon, Honda Fit, Stream, Altezza, and Mark X. By the way guys, this Honda Stream, this is my car, this is my personal car. It was put here in the shop because I don't have any space left in the house. Also, this is a Toyota Alphard, the V6 version. Still in good condition guys. This car, Toyota Alphard, it's a V6, maybe a 3 liter or 3.5, not sure yet. All of these cars are in stocks. When you purchase this car, the shop will fix all the damage, etc. All the maintenance, they will do everything so that it will be a road legal car. This Mark X, it's still clean. VIP style car. And my old car, the Stream. Another car. It's a Daihatsu Move. It's a K car. Only Jumang yen guys, Jumang. It's a cheap car. Also this car. This is customer's car. This one is for parts. Also they call it Buhindori car. Here. This where we get parts for a Honda Step Wagon. For parts only. And this car is in maintenance. They fixed this one.
タービンね
So guys, this car has a turbo problem. That's why they removed the turbo. Sort of issue in the turbo.
カーブタイヤねカーブタイヤ交換チェンジ
Needs to be changed. Turbo has a problem, so it needed to be changed. New turbo for this car. So no Outlander wa?
車検
And for this Outlander is for registration, going
ブ
for
レーキパッド
registration.
チェンジ
Brake pad change.
まあ終わっちゃったね
So it's finished. Because here in Japan guys, you need to do a shake. It's called shakin. It's a mandatory inspection needed every 2 years for a car. That's why you need to take it to a dealer or a maintenance shop if you're near here in GIFU, you can come here in Friend Auto Yamada Garage. This is the logo. You can have a discount here if you come here. Everything here will be done professionally, so you can count on me on that. We have a professional mechanic and painter, so everything here will be done by a professional guy. So guys, this will be the end of the vlog for today. So I hope you enjoy what you see in here. So if you like my videos, just click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please share this video. Thank you guys.